I'm going to talk to you guys about the future today.
He's spoken in more than 50 countries.
Automation and robotics and artificial intelligence are going to be massive changes for our society.
More than 1 million people.
Bigger than the internet, bigger than the invention of the computer, bigger than the steam machine.
I don't even know where to begin with you. There's jobs, there's education, there's health.
We used to say humans were better. Human connection was what we needed.
He's a best-selling author.
We're going to come to trust machines because machines will give better advice than humans.
And then we get into stuff like AI and robotics.
Nothing's even come close to the disruptive power of AI.
He's been voted Banker of the Year.
I love your first line when you came in and spoke here. By 2025, there will be no difference between a bank account and a mobile phone.
He's even been an advisor at the White House.
China sees it as part of their infrastructure for building smart economic systems that can compete for the future.
Smart cities, smart economies that are based on technology as the differentiation.
Please welcome Brett King to the stage.
Please welcome Brett King.
Brett King is with Movin, and I guess you would call it a mobile banking service, but you're a little different than that.
Every leading bank, every leading healthcare company, every leading agricultural company, every leading pharmaceutical company in 10, 15 years' time will be a technology company first.
Can you point to certain industries or sectors or businesses where this transformation has already taken place?
How's that going to change the medical industry?
Where there's been a fundamental shift already.
How's that going to change the pharmaceutical sector?
In the last 250 years, we've seen technology disrupt jobs and employment, but it's always created new jobs.
How's that going to change the way society works?
But with artificial intelligence, it's the first time we're disrupting humans in respect to process and particularly advice.
Is AI that smart?
We already have computers, machine intelligences that are better at humans in a range of activities, diagnosing cancer, identity verification at customs and borders.
For us to keep up with AI, we're going to have to augment our intelligence.
We're going to have to rethink the concept of a payment vehicle.
No branches, no checking account, no savings account, no CDs. You don't even have a bank charter.
$21 billion invested in fintechs last year.
Well, you won't go to a branch to get a bank account in the future. That's ludicrous. You just download it to your phone. By the end of this year, we'll have a couple of million customers in 3 countries.
And here's where smart economies will have to adapt. You're going to have to provide infrastructure to support these sort of mechanisms, or quickly your economy is going to fall behind.
How are your sales in China? Did this
We sold out on Amazon at least, so it's gone very well. Obviously mentioned by President Xi or tacit endorsements, good for the sales.
If you want to know what's happening, in the future and what you should be thinking about, read Augmented: Life in the Smart Lane.
We're starting to see the world divided up into 2 spheres, right? Those who are technology oriented and those who aren't. Right? And the winners will be those who have invested in